Hi, welcome, glad to have you along, and in today's video I'm going to do a request for a 70s glam rock classic. This one is by a band called Slade. I was given free rein on this. Daniel, do me some Slade, so here we go. This was probably the biggest hit with exception to that Christmas one, you know the one I'm talking about. This is a song by Slade called Come On, Feel the Noise. So go grab your guitar, I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right then, come on, feel the noise. It's let's go straight into it. So it should sound a whole load like this. Right, okay, so let's take that from the beginning. So the intro is, we're going to start with a G chord. Right, G chord. Then we're going to do a rundown, which is bringing your finger up to the 2nd fret of the E string. So we got, and then E minor, and then back on that 2nd fret of the E string again, and then start again. I'll just come right up to the camera for you so you can see that really closely. Alright, so we've got G, see how I've moved down, E minor, and then okay, so let's do that again for you. So we got, and then we go down to a C chord and we do a rundown from that, which is same thing. You know what we did with the top string when we was in G? We're going to do the same thing, but this time with the A string with the chord of C. Right, so we're going to go C, A minor, so do it again for you. So from the top, G, E minor, C, step down, A minor, D. Now, right then, let me show you this D thing. So, there's this thing known as a blues shuffle. Now, everyone, well, I say everyone, I shouldn't really say that because this is a tutorial. Right, so you can do this blues shuffle like this, up there in D. I appreciate that, but for the sake of us all being up here, my personal view is that we are doing it like this. Now I'm going to show you how that's done. That is the chord of D. Oh, hang on, chord of D. And what we're going to do with our little finger, we're going to be coming on and off on the 4th fret of the G string. Da na 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 na, off off on off off on off off on. Okay, so, and that's with, incorporate that with the strum. So let's do that whole intro together, right? So starting with the G, down to C, okay, so that's the intro. Okay, so now we're going to move up to a bar chord. Earlier for the intro we've done an open chord of G. Now we're going to do the bar chord of G. And we're going to get busy with our little finger here. What we're going to do is, okay, so we're going to concentrate on the top 2 on the top two strings of the chord. So we're going to be using the E string and the A string. Top E twice, and then we're going to go up to the 5th fret, and then back down to the 3rd, and then lift off again. Okay, so just do that for me. And then we're going to twice on the A string, and then so 5th fret of the E string back to, sorry, the 7th fret of the E string back to the 5th fret of the A string. So from the top, twice, so G chord, lift a little finger off. That's going to be our move around finger. And what we're going to do, we're going to have twice on the E string, then 7th fret, and then back down to the 3rd fret. Got that? And then this 3rd finger is there on the A string on the 5th fret. Twice on that. Once on the 7th fret of the E, and then back to the 5th fret of the A string. Got it? And then we're going to slide all the way up to the 7th fret and do exactly the same thing. Sorry. So we've got that. Go down to an E chord. Well, it's an E minor chord actually, but what we're going to do here, we're going to bar the 2nd fret of the A string and 2nd fret of the D string. Gives us that nice rough thick sound, because we're going to play the 6, 5 and 4 strings all together as one. Now the way we're doing that is we're striking twice on the top string. We're going to give it a little bend with the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret. And that's an up pick on the D string. I'll slow that right down for you. So it goes from the top. Twice on the E string, D string, but when we up pick the D string, we don't just pick the D string on its own. We sort of catch, roughly, we catch the D string and the A string together. It gives us a nice thick sound. And then we go down to an A minor. This is the I don't know why bit. You go. We've got a little rundown in the A minor here. We've got A minor. Put your little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. D. And then we got little finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So we got. We're sort of pulling off on that E string. Okay. That is that's like a pull off on the 3rd fret of the E string. E minor anymore. Oh, D. Then we're back. Then we go to the chorus. Okay. So let's play you the verse all together now. So we've got the bar chord G thing up to the 7th. So we've got A minor run down, D, A minor run down, E minor, D. So E minor to D. Oh no. Yeah. Then we're going to do the chorus. So chorus is as follows. G, run down, E minor. G, run down, E minor. C, run down, D. C, step down, D. G, step down, E minor. G, step down, E minor. C, step down, A minor, then to D. So let's put all that together. G, run down, E minor. G, E minor. C, run down, D. C, run down, D. G, step down, E minor. G, step down, E minor. C, step down, A minor, D. So there we have it. Come on, feel the noise. How did you get on with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below. Always great to hear from you. Again, if you've got any song requests that you'd like me to do for future videos, let me know again down in the comments section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it really does me a great favour because it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Until we meet again, thank you very much for watching everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.